Okay, so I think when it comes to looking for a therapist, it takes a degree of shopping around, right? So you might have a session with someone and think, I'm not quite sure. And that's perfectly normal. You want to find someone with whom you can feel comfortable with. So that might take one go, it might take two goes. Sometimes it can take even three goes. Just pay attention to whether it's an anxiety and whether it's your anxiety about therapy or if it's feeling like actually this person doesn't feel like the right fit. That's okay. And it's normal for all of us to feel that way. Therapy requires a little bit of matching up. What would you like from your therapist? Like I said, is it someone funny or serious? And does that gel with you? I would also say, if there's anything you feel you can't access or you can't open up to, if you can bring it to the therapist, as it might then help them say, actually, I think it might be beneficial for you to see my colleague who specializes in this. And it's normal for that to happen. In fact, we as therapists are also in therapy, and we also shop around to make sure that we're seeing the right person. And we tend to not see the same person for that many years because we need to pull from different skills from different therapists too.